In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to market Notion templates. 5 minutes. We'll walk through the whole journey from setting up your Notion template to publishing it on a marketplace so people can buy and duplicate it with ease. Let's start inside Notion. First, log in and open the page that will become your template. The fastest way to build something people want is to solve one specific problem really well. Create a unique functional template for a clear purpose, like a budget tracker or a student dashboard. Keep it simple, organized, and ready to use. Add helpful properties, views, and example entries so buyers understand how it works the moment they open it. Polish matters, so give your template a clean icon, an attractive cover image, and a descriptive title. This instantly signals quality and boosts trust. When it looks good, it sells better. Now it's time to make it shareable. In Notion, click Share, then Publish to Web. Copy the shareable link you get there. Before you move on, make sure the Allow Duplicate as Template setting is turned on so customers can make their own copy after purchase. A quick tip, open that link in a private browser window to confirm it loads correctly and the duplicate option is visible. Next, go to your preferred marketplace. On Gumroad, head to your dashboard and click New Product, choose Digital Product and set your price. You can start with a fixed price or use Pay What You Want if you're building momentum. For delivery, you have two options. You can redirect buyers to a URL after purchase and paste your Notion share link, which is quick and seamless, or upload the template file directly through Gumroad. If you upload, include a short, clear document with the Notion link and simple duplication instructions. Create a compelling product description. Explain who it's for, what problems it solves, what's included, and how fast buyers can get results. Use plain language and highlight benefits, not just features. Add high quality cover images and a thumbnail that show the template in action. Customize the call to action button text to feel inviting and specific. On the Share tab, pick the most relevant category and add targeted tags so your product is easy to find in the Gumroad marketplace. Choose terms your audience would actually search for. If you prefer, you can also use Etsy or platforms like Payhip for an easier setup as they handle delivery and payments for you. That's it. Publish your listing, double check your link, and you're ready to start selling your Notion template with confidence.